People don't have blender. But even at that, eating healthy is next to godliness for your health, to avoid anything indigestion or stomach upset. So it's best you wash most of the things that you want to eat, you waste it out. In fact, this my video go wow you. Next time you will learn how to raise it, raise your food ingredients before you cook, to avoid knowing what you take inside. That's basically what I want to say. Knowing what you take inside. So it's best you raise whatever you use to cook with warm water and salt, or warm water with baking soda, just to be at the safer side. Okay? So today let's go and cook ogbono. But meanwhile, pay attentively on how I raise my ogbono for you to see the dirt that come out from the ogbono. In fact, let's go. For years we've been cooking our food without actually raising it. Some of us, it doesn't even cross our mind that we need to raise most of this food that we consume, be it egusi, ogbono, crayfish and pepper. Initially, I was not even raising it until one day it just came to my mind, and I said, let me raise my egusi. And my dirt, if you see the dirt that came out from it, from then I started raising up all my food ingredients, like this very ogbono. Before even cooking it, when you feed your ogbono, you see some dirt from it. So you can imagine, most times if you grind your ogbono or your egusi at the market, and you come home, you make soup. Most times when you're eating soup, you're eating a sand soup. Most times you'll be chewing some dirt from the soup, and you'll be wondering, where did the dust come from? It's actually from your food, like egusi, crayfish, or ogbono, all because you did not raise it. So before you make that soup, watch this video to the end, and you will see the amount of dates that came out from this ogbono. You will see the amount of things that we consume as a food in the tummy. I had to wash this ogbono like 4 times before the whole thing was clear. Before you see the ogbono was clear, and you need to see the dates that came out from it. So before, like I said, before you make that soup, always make sure that you raise it properly with a warm water and salt. If you have baking soda, you can actually use baking soda, and make sure you wash that food thoroughly, so that when you're cooking your food, you're cooking healthy food, to avoid stomach upset, to avoid when you're eating and you're chewing sound, or most times the soup will even be smelling, like something that is being spoiled, all because of the unhealthy food that we eat. So, and apart from that, have you ever imagined how many moles or years and the kind of dust and the hand, the process this ingredient that we use in cooking food has stayed? Some has been in the store for months, some have been in the store for like years, some we don't know how it's been packed, the kind of insect that have gone through it. Oh my goodness, I don't even want to imagine how many months or years that food that we consume without raising it. Even though when you buy it and you feel that it's clean, you still need to raise that ingredient you're using in cooking soup. You can imagine, just look at the dirt that came out from my ogbono. Just look at the dirt that came out from my ogbono. So you can imagine grinding this thing together to make a soup. Oh my goodness. So please, like I said, before making that soup, ensure that you get your food ingredients, wash and raise. Then if you have a blender, you just blend it, put it inside your blender, add a drop of water and blend, and you start cooking. Be it egusi, ogbono, whatever it is, you blend, and to your deep inside you, you're eating a healthy food. Okay? So like I said, do not cook that soup without washing or raising it. You need to eat healthy, and say healthy is next to godliness. Cleanness is next to godliness. So don't forget, and always eat healthy. What am I even saying? Always eat healthy, and you'll be glad that you did anyway. So you can't even go a day cooking your soup without having it in mind of raising up the dust of, and I'll still be on the safer side. You know you're having good food. You know you're cooking good food. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. I hope you put this method into practice, and always please don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you.